Do you know if your facility has a mass notification system? If you do, is it code-based or does it use plain language, like in our scenario? How is it communicated to critical personnel? Overhead or via text or email? It is important to understand how you will receive information during a disaster like this one. If your facility doesn't have a plan for a one-button notification system, it's really imperative that this becomes part of your response plan. During a disaster isn't the time to be stuck playing a horrible game of phone tag to get people to respond. Consider using plain language instead of code pink or other code-based communications, as studies show that your employees aren't going to remember them after the initial orientation and exposure to the codes. And you don't want your staff, or even you for that matter, to be left scrambling trying to figure out what the codes mean. There are such a large number of people that need to be on the receiving end of these notifications. It isn't just your providers, your ED staff, your pediatric hospitalists, or your surgeons that need it. Security, social work, child life, chaplains. There's an entire host of players that need to be on the receiving end of these notifications. Align these different groups throughout your planning process so that they all have a similar notification plan. So that it truly is a one button system that, once activated, is pretty automated.